Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm so excited. I think this is the most exciting video for me अब तक मैंने जितनी भी shoot करी हैं. Cause as you read by the title, it's random facts about me. I got an idea and I thought of adding a twist to it. मेरे पास proof है. Since I'm a lawyer, मैं evidence लेकर आई हूँ. So basically the twist is my best friends are going to add some tippany of theirs throughout the video when I tell you random facts. So yes, that is the catch and I think let's begin. ये सारी बातें, oh my god. That I'm an extremely clumsy person. मतलब ये सिर्फ कहने की बात नहीं है. I mean it when I say that I'm clumsy. And you know what? I never crawled as a baby. मतलब मैं सीधे उठ के भागी थी एंड दिन भर मेरे चोट लगती रहती थी. कभी कहीं से खून निकल रहा है, कभी कहीं से मैं इंजर हो रही हूँ, स्टिचेस लग रहे हैं, एवरीथिंग.
Clumsy. I think clumsy Anam का middle name या first name होना चाहिए because I thought I'm the most clumsiest person on this earth till I met Anam, and it seems like she purposely invites objects कि आओ मुझे hit करो. So yeah, वो कभी भी किसी भी चीज़ से टूट सकती है.
About Anam is she is very clumsy. She keeps on bumping into everything she could find and get herself injured. It happens on daily basis. Literally, it happens on daily basis.
So I have this love for toiletries, which includes like everything related to your skincare and body and fragrances and everything. And yeah, you'll see some footage about it.
Anam also really likes collecting these body lotions, fragrances and toiletries. And हम लोग कभी भी shopping पे जाते थे, हम लेने कुछ चाहते थे और used to always end up buying these lotions, creams and body mists. मेरे को भी आदत लग गई थी, तो she used to get allured so much कि stores की खुशबू से ही she used to follow those stores. So yeah, it's really hard to shop with her.
So Anam has this obsession with lip balms. मतलब आपको उसके घर में हर टाइप का लिप बाम मिलेगा. Whatever you can think of, she has it. चाहे वो कोई भी टेक्सचर का हो, चाहे वो कोई भी कंपनी का हो, she has it bro. And also creams. हर टाइप की हैंड क्रीम भी मिलेगी आपको and हर फ्रेगरेंस की, चाहे वो लेमन हो, चाहे वो लैवेंडर हो. एंड ये तो बहुत छोटी सी बात है. अगर इफ़ यू सी हर वार्डरोब, आई मीन हर क्लॉजेट थिंग, तो उसके पास बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स की पूरी दुकान है. मतलब मुझे लगता है कि पहले बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स पे नहीं आता, उसके घर पे आता है बिकॉज शी हैज़ एवरीथिंग. हर चीज़ है उसके पास बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स की. ब्रांड एम्बेसडर ऑफ बाथ एंड बॉडी वर्क्स. ऑल्सो शी हैज़ दिस थिंग विद, आई थिंक फ्रेगरेंस के साथ कुछ ऑब्सेशन है उसका, बिकॉज इतने सारे परफ्यूम्स एंड परफ्यूम्स तो हैं, शी इज़ ऑब्सेस्ड विद परफ्यूम्स, बट शी ऑल्सो लाइक्स इट शो इट टू हर फ्रेंड्स. मतलब जैसे पूरी सेल्समैन वाली फील आएगी आपको. शी विल मेक यू सेट, पूरे अच्छे से अरेंज करेगी सारे परफ्यूम एंड देन वन बाय वन शी विल, पहले तो आपको स्मेल करने होंगे, उसके बाद आपको हर एक डिटेल पता चलेगी एंड यू हैव टू पे अटेंशन. मतलब ये चीज़ फोर्सफुली भी हो सकती है, बट द थिंग विद हर कि जब वो बता भी रही होती है ना, वो शो ऑफ नहीं लगता. इट जस्ट आई मीन यू कैन सी दैट स्पार्क इन हर आइज. जो खुशी होती है ना, तो आपको भी खुशी होने लगती है. मेरे साथ तो ऐसे ही होता है.
I am an extremely messy eater. You wouldn't want to see me eating. I am not a person that you could take to fine dining. I am not. I become a public embarrassment and my friends know that. So I am a horrible eater.
क्या आप लोगों ने कभी अनम खान को खाना खाते हुए देखा है? अनु, I think तुम्हें बहुत खुश होना चाहिए and you should feel lucky कि even after seeing all those sights, I'm still your friend. Because अनम का खाना यहाँ नहीं जाता, हर जगह जाता है. यहाँ से कुछ टपक कर आता है, यहाँ कुछ चिपका होता है, यहाँ कुछ चिपका होता है, हाथ से पूरे सान के खाती है. शी एक्चुअली ना चटका रेड़े के खाना जैसे कहते हैं ना, वो बिल्कुल वैसे खाती है. एंड आई एम जस्ट द ऑपोजिट ऑफ इट. एंड वो हमेशा मेरे को इस चीज़ के लिए बोलती है कि मेरे आगे ना ज़्यादा बना मत करो. सो या
The one thing जिसका वैलिडेशन चाहिए तो नहीं था मुझे पता था, बिकॉज पूरी दुनिया मुझे बोलती है कि मैं बहुत फनी हूँ एक्सेप्ट फॉर वन इंसान. बट डू बैंग ऑन this video. In this video you are going to see something that nobody ever imagined on this planet happening. Not me, at least not me. That will prove. बहुत बड़ा सबूत दे रही हूँ मैं आपको ये.
I want to state one more fact about her. I know she wanted to hear it from a very long time from me, but yes, I am accepting the fact that she has a good sense of humor. She knows how to take jokes on herself, which is like very rare.
I am not in the zone right now where I sleep, but I used to sleep like a baby. Not right now, not this year, past year, but before that, I used to sleep for 20 hours at a stretch without even realizing what is happening around me.
Anyone who has seen her sleeping would agree to the fact that she sleeps like a baby. वो literally थूक गिरा के सोती है. She has no clue what's happening around her when she's sleeping.
And we used to sleep for 12 hours 14 hours मतलब पड़े हुए हैं बस. एंड पीपल यूज टू थिंक कि हम यूएस के टाइम से चल रहे हैं क्योंकि हम उठते ही 1-2 बजे थे.
That I freaking blame everything on astrology, like everything. I judge people by their zodiac signs, and that is crazy for some people. But I am like, oh, अच्छा, तूने ऐसा किया, इसका मतलब तू ऐसा, इसका तो zodiac sign ही होगा. See, I don't mean that जितने भी कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स या सब कुछ होते हैं एक पर्टिकुलर zodiac sign के. आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि हर इंसान में सारे होंगे, बट कुछ तो होते हैं बॉस, कुछ होते ही होते हैं. सो अनदर थिंग वुड बी दैट व्हेन आई ईट, आई एम नॉट एक साथ में बहुत सारा खाने वाला इंसान. आई एम अ पर्सन हु वुड ईट इन पार्ट्स एंड छोटे छोटे ब्रेक्स, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक आई एम वेरी हंग्री. मुझे बहुत भूख लग रही है, मैं खाना लेके बैठूंगी, आई वुडंट बी एबल टू फिनिश इट.
One more thing about Anam is that उसको parts में खाना पसंद है, as in वो she will eat it 2-3 times में.
I don't think I exactly understand the definition of casual.
Anam can go from Parvati to Puhu real quick. It's like one moment you see her in those baggy t-shirts and baggy pajamas, and the next moment you see her in a red velvet dress, killing the outfit. So I believe she can literally pull any outfit off.
We all know that Anam has a really great fashion sense. She was given Fashion Diva award for her Due Farewell. What we do not know is that Anam college boxers, gandi si t-shirts और चूड़ा बनाकर जाती थी, because she used to just get up 10 minutes before the class and run for her classes. So either she is in that Picardy look or in that red carpet look. There is no in between.
So I cannot take anything against the people I love, and which includes my family and friends, of course. And there's this weird habit. I will fight with that person then and there. Like even if I have to go and tell my friend or my person कि ये तुमने गलत किया or anything, I would fight at that time because it's something that makes me crazy. अगर मेरे किसी loved one की लड़ाई हुई है या कोई बात हुई है, मैं और ज़्यादा गुस्से में आ जाती हूँ.
Best part about Anam Khan is she keeps her friends over anything. That is the quality I love the most about her. She will back her friends up no matter what. She'll be there in the good and the bad times both.
It's actually very daring because she will always stand up and come to the defense for the people and the situations that she thinks are unfair. She will have her own voice, and she's very vocal about everything, about her opinions, about her views, and उसे फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि लोग क्या कहेंगे, लोग क्या सोचेंगे. उसके हिसाब से जो सही है, she will fight for that, and I'm really proud of her.
By now I'm sure you know this fact about me, that I believe too much in vibes and energies. I am a follower of law of attraction. Intuition, your gut feeling, I don't think they lie.
You believe in this energy, in this power, and so have I started to believe in all those energy.
I'm a big time foodie. I love to eat, I live to eat.
She is a big time foodie. We literally used to bunk classes every day just to have food. We ate chaap or biryani or tea shop or whatever.
And on the contrary, I am the most pathetic, I'm the worst cook you would ever come across. I cannot even cook Maggi for a living. Maggi भी मैं खिचड़ी जैसी बनाती हूँ. It's that horrible. Like all I can make is chai, nothing else.
Basically, we know each other from past more than 3 years now, and I know n number of facts about her which I guess the world is not aware about. The number one fact would be she's not a good cook at all. She is not a good cook at all. She makes blunder in cooking, though she makes a really good tea.
Khana नहीं, she knows what I was going to say. खाना और अनम का आपस में कोई ताल्लुक नहीं है. दोनों नॉर्थ और साउथ पोल हैं. 2 पैरेलल लाइंस हैं जो साथ में चलती हैं बट कभी मिल नहीं सकती. बिकॉज शी इज़ अ बिग टाइम फूडी बट शी डजंट नो हाउ टू कुक. इनफैक्ट मैगी भी कोई इंसान इंग्रेडिएंट्स और पीछे इंस्ट्रक्शंस देख के बना सकता है, बट अनम खान.
Okay, so another thing about me and including my best friend Tanvi in this. So we have this thing that this is I literally challenge you with this that nobody when we are in a team like जब भी खेलते हैं हम एक साथ ही खेलते हैं हम कभी opposite side पे होते ही नहीं चाहे वहाँ पे 5 लोग हों but हम 2 होंगे you can't beat us in Damshrats because since like I've grown with her so that and we read each other's eyes and expressions and everything and it is insane, it is crazy, it is weird and people find it so astonishing as how we do it, but yeah.
The other thing I would like to mention is nobody in this entire world can beat Anam and Tanvi in Damshalas. They both are too good at it. Literally too good at it. They both can read each other's mind while they're playing Damshalas.
So I think not a lot of you know that I'm a trained dancer. Like I have been dancing since I was 3.5 as far as I remember. I was a kid when I started dancing and I've been dancing since then. Not in practice abhi, but yeah, I hopefully want to start jab पैर ठीक हो जाएगा then I'll start my dancing again because I really miss it.
The thing I would like to add is she is very, very talented. She is a very good makeup artist, as we all know. Also, she is a very good dancer. She is our in-house Saroj Khan, so you can contact her for further dancing lessons.
Obviously, she's a very good dancer. Her moves, her expressions, you just name the style and she can pull it off completely in the same way. It can be Indo Western, Indo Classical, any form. And school में हमारा थोड़ा सा टिफ इसलिए रहता था because I was also interested in dancing and हमेशा ये जीत जाती थी. So yeah, but soon we'll make a video together.
I am a Bollywood freak. I am that filmy Bollywood keeda. There is this filmy keeda inside me, which is like to another level. Like I relate to Bollywood and I use Bollywood references in daily life.
Anam is also one big Bollywood buff. She can imitate so many actors and characters from Bollywood. And ये तो हमारा फेवरेट गेम होता था. हम जब भी कहीं पे भी होते थे हम किसी भी सिचुएशन में किसी भी इंसान को देखकर हम गाना और डायलॉग्स मारने लगते थे. And people used to think that these girls have gone mad or they are retards. They're just laughing between themselves. So yeah, हमारे आज तक jokes कोई नहीं समझ पाता. And it is mainly because of Bollywood.
I'm too much into Bollywood and K3G. K3G is one of my favorite movies and I'm sure like as Parineeti Chopra said, K3G is holy. I've watched it so many times that I remember almost, I would say, every dialogue of it.
So she is literally a Bollywood buff. She is so much into Bollywood, I cannot tell you. She is the only person who gets all my Bollywood reference. And K3G इसने खा रखी है literally खा गई है उस movie को. She remembers each and every dialogue of that movie.
I am aware that I have a bitch face. Yeah, it is what it is. I'll show you. So yeah, this is my face and I have a bitch face, but what a lot of people don't know is that I am an overly sensitive and emotional person. Like it's so easy to make me cry.
So this one is my favorite क्योंकि हम किसी भी बात पर रो सकते हैं. I mean अगर उसके पड़ोसी के भाई के चाचा के बेटे के दोस्त के साथ भी कुछ हुआ होगा तो she can cry. I mean she will cry. So there's this incident where my mother, Anam and I, we all three were watching this reality show and उसमें किसी कि कोई गरीब की कोई स्टोरी चल रही थी. And as soon as I turned my head around and I was seeing कि ये लोग रो रहे थे बैठ के. I was like अनु एम्पैथेटिक होना अच्छी बात है पर थोड़ा अपनी पिताई के लिए भी बचा लो.
Another thing is that ये भी आप बहुत लड़कियाँ relate कर सकती हैं that I really love men's clothing and I find it really sexy and cool to wear those baggy clothes like loose hoodies and shirts and t-shirts. So yeah, Lakshay has something to say about it, but I am उसकी बात मत सुनो, ठीक है? मेरी बात सुनो, मेरा चैनल है, मेरी बात सुनो. But yeah, that is true that मैं उसके सारे कपड़े चुरा लेती हूँ. Like if I see him wearing anything, I'm like the first thing is give it to me. And he's like, what am I supposed to wear and go back home? I am like, I don't care, just give it to me. And he has to give it to me. Like there's no option.
So Anam is obsessed with men's clothing, or rather I should say my clothes. She literally steals every t-shirt and every hoodie she likes. But I believe मेरे से ज़्यादा मेरी t-shirts and मेरी hoodies उसके पास हैं.
I am a very weird like this is a very weird fact that I am very choosy and selective with the type and bunch of people I can sleep with. It's so bizarre to me also that I cannot sleep with my family members. I don't know, मुझे नींद नहीं आती. Like I cannot sleep. बहुत limited मेरे ऐसे friends हैं कि मैं सो जाती हूँ उनके साथ. Otherwise I will be lying right beside you, but मुझे नींद ही नहीं आएगी पूरी रात. It's something so absurd, but I am very I don't know, बस कोई आदत है कि मैं बहुत it's not like कि मैं ऐसे picky हूँ. It's like वो बस naturally होता है कि मुझे किसके साथ नींद आ जाती है और किसके साथ नहीं आती.
Also, Anam has this weird selection of people जिनके साथ उसे
This is something so stupid that I am not able to sleep with a family member. I did my graduation in psychology. I always wanted to be a therapist, a counselor. It changed me as a person. It it evolves you and it enhances your conscious, and it just helps you expand the way you think and the way you behave. And the best part about is that you start understanding people even more. So yeah, I have love for psychology.
बेसिकली वी लिव फॉर 2 years टुगेदर एंड मेरे पास इतना बहुत कुछ आई मीन बोलने के लिए, बट वी हैड दिस कॉमन थिंग साइकोलॉजी का भी, बिकॉज शी ऑल्सो स्टडीड साइकोलॉजी इन ग्रेजुएशन एंड मैं भी साइकोलॉजिस्ट ही हूँ. तो दैट कॉमन ग्राउंड, जो अंडरस्टैंडिंग, जो वाइब होती है ना, वी वाइब कनेक्शन इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग हो गया हमारा दैट कभी कभी तो हम सेम चीज़ें भी बोल देते थे. ये तो बहुत ज़्यादा कॉमन होता था कि जो मैं बोलने वाली हूँ वो पहले ही बोल देती थी. सो वी अंडरस्टूड ईच अदर सो वेल. और अनम के साथ ये कि वो हर एफर्ट करती है बंदे को समझने के लिए एंड 1 करोड़ चांस देती है बंदे को.
I'm a very coming back to astrology. So I'm a Sagittarius, and I believe that Sagittarians are extremely honest and blunt, and that is what I feel about myself. I read it somewhere very recently that Sagittarians are outgoing people, but they are also very picky and choosy, and they have a very little tiny inner circle, and that speaks volume. Cause I am a social person generally. Like I would gel along with people, and I would have a great time with them and everything. But when it comes to choosing my people, like my personal people, I am very picky, I'm very choosy, and I have a very small intact circle. So yeah.
She's not choosy in general aspect, but when it comes to pick her own people, she is really, picky, because she does not function around the notion that I want to be in the good books of these people or to be in the limelight. So yeah, she works along with the vibes because her vibes never lie. So yeah.
I am a very Adiyal Tattu dheet person. Like I'm not a gullible person. If you have to convince me for something that I like, jiska ulta I believe, God bless you then. God bless you really, because I am very adamant. And agar मैं इसका good part देखूँ, so it's like कि when I put my heart and soul into something, when I put my dimag into something, I will be completely there. Like I said, I'm an extremist. So once I think about something, once I decide on something, I'm gonna stick to it.
वन गुड थिंग अबाउट अनम इज़ दैट उसकी डिटर्मिनेशन पावर बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग है. दैट विल पावर शी हैज़ इज़ अमेजिंग. उसको जो करना होगा वो सच में करके रहेगी बाय एनी थिंग. मतलब हार्ड वर्क, बाय हुक और बाय क्रुक, शी विल डू इट. शी मेक्स श्योर कि जो वो करना चाहती है वो एक्चुअली वो अचीव करे, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी गुड थिंग, एंड आई एम रियली प्राउड ऑफ हर.
I think it's my mother instinct that comes out when it comes to the people I love. And it's like, मतलब मुझे सब यही बोलते हैं कि मेरे सारे friends मुझे यही बोलते हैं that I take care of them like a baby, cause I am that way. If I love you, I would literally treat you like a baby. I care way too much about the people I love. पूरा एकदम अंदर की माँ जाग जाती है, मेरी माँ की ममता जाग जाती है.
Also, one really good thing about her is, I mean, she will take care of you like you are a little baby. Because when I was in college, मेरी तबीयत बहुत ख़राब होती थी विंटर्स में, बिकॉज आई हैड दिस साइनस प्रॉब्लम, एंड आई नेवर गॉट होम सिक बिकॉज शी वॉज देयर फॉर मी. एंड शी मतलब वो आपको घर की याद आने ही नहीं देती है. वो इतने अच्छे से ख्याल रखेगी ना, और बिल्कुल जैसे मम्मी नहीं होती हैं कि अच्छे से खाओ पियो सो, और बिल्कुल ख्याल रखना, कुछ करने नहीं दे.
For me, it's like I believe in enjoying and appreciating and acknowledging little things in life, not everything little, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I I really believe in little things, enjoying the little things, embracing the little moments of life, and appreciating and being grateful for all those little things that are happening. And I would always prefer a handwritten note, a single rose, a sweet text, a gesture, a warm hug over something like materialistic. Like, I'm that guy. Not that I don't love all that, but I would prefer getting that.
Anam is an overexcited and over-enthusiastic kid. Little efforts or little things matter so much to her and make her so happy, be it food or meeting somebody or getting appreciated on a work or post or wishing somebody on their birthday. It's like these things makes her so excited, and I believe this is the quality I love the most about her.
I'm a huge Friends fan. And if you don't like Friends, we can't be friends. Just kidding. I cannot stop obsessing over watching it. Like, I watch it almost every day. खाना खाते हुए, कुछ भी करते हुए, मैं randomly, I just कोई भी random episode on करके मैं बैठ जाती हूँ, because it is something that really helps my anxiety also. And for the people who haven't watched Friends, you should definitely. It's like my number one favorite show.
Oh my god, she's obsessed with Friends because उसको कुछ भी दिख जाए उस Friends वाले लोगों में, she's going to buy that. And also जो उसका title track है, I'll Be There For You, it's like our friendship anthem. We have always dedicated this song to each other, so yeah, it is special for me.
As I'm a Sagittarian, as I blame everything on astrology, I'm a very honest person, like brutally honest AF. If you cannot hear, if you're not ready to listen to the truth, do not ask me. I'm telling you, do not ask me, because you're gonna hear nothing but the truth, and then it might really, because sometimes I don't realize that I am being way too honest and brutal saying the truth. But yeah, if you want to hear the truth, then you could just come to me. Best advice I will give you. The brutal truth in your face.
Anam is a really honest person, and I can blindly trust her, not because I'm her best friend, but because we both simply detest liars. इसलिए ना हम झूठ बोलते हैं, because खुद ही झूठ से ही हमें चिढ़ है, तो ना हम बोलते हैं ना हम सुन सकते हैं. So yeah, she has always been really honest about her opinions, about whatever she thinks. So मुझे एक incident याद है. So I was going on a date, and मेरा makeup कर रही थी, and she was putting this eyeliner on my face. She was in a really close proximity. So she asked me, are you really interested in that guy? And I'm like, all blushing, yeah. And she was like, please brush karke jana, your mouth is stinking.
So I'm an over enthusiastic person, because ये मेरे तो phases होते हैं, otherwise एकदम मैं मायूस मीना बन जाती हूँ, और I'm into my shell, my एकदम zone में. Otherwise तो I'm like this different person, which is like always overexcited.
Over enthusiastic and a person full of energy का नाम रणवीर सिंह है, and उसका female version Anam Khan है. She's always full of energy and enthusiasm. Even अगर हम भी रहे होते हैं, तो she'll come running and she'll hug you and she'll kiss you and she'll start dancing and she'll start jumping, and मेरी life में full entertainment होता है.
So मैं मानती हूँ कि the purest form of love is dua, and I believe so much in praying. Not that कि मैं ही नहीं बोल रही हूँ कि मैं 5 वक्त की नमाज़ पढ़ती हूँ या ऐसा कुछ है, या मैं रोज़ मंदिर जाती हूँ, या मैं ऐसा कुछ करती हूँ कि रोज़ पूजा कर रही हूँ and everything. But in general sense, I'm saying that I believe so much in the power of praying, and I pray a lot. And मुझे ऐसा लगता है दुआ करने के लिए आपको बस एक साफ दिल और नीयत चाहिए होती है. And मुझे लगता है कि दुआ से बड़ा प्यार दिखाने का तरीका कुछ नहीं होता. I love to do दुआ. मुझे दुआ करना बहुत पसंद है.
थोड़ी अच्छी बातें भी कर लेते हैं इस बेचारी के बारे में. बट नहीं, जो सबसे अच्छी बात मुझे नाम की लगती है वो ये है कि वो सबके लिए दुआ करती है. And this is one quality that I have learned from her, that she does not pray for herself or for her own family. She will pray for every person whom she loves, and ये quality बहुत कम लोगों में होती है. And since the time I got to know about it, I have also started to do that.
I believe that my sixth sense is, touch wood, alhamdulillah, very strong. I think it could be because of my believing in the law of attraction and energy and vibes. Like for me, my vibes don't lie about anybody. And इसीलिए मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि ये चीज़ ऐसे है that I have this, ये हर केस में नहीं होगा. I'm not like कि मैं कोई भविष्यवाणी कर लेती हूँ, but हाँ ऐसा है कि मुझे अगर कभी किसी चीज़ की कोई gut feeling या intuition आ जाती है, और when I start feeling like something is about to happen or something would happen, अच्छा बुरा कैसा भी. So mostly it has turned out to be true. Like it was crazy. जो सबसे recent incident मेरे दिमाग में आ रहा है वो ये है कि my best friend had to fly to Australia and उसके पूरे बैच के लोगों के वीज़ा आ गए थे and उसका नहीं आया था and ऐसा नहीं था कि बहुत टाइम हो गया था बट सबके आ गए थे और उसका नहीं आया था तो she was petrified. एंड मैंने उससे इतने दिन तक बस ये बोला आ जाएगा आ जाएगा आ जाएगा एंड वन डे आई जस्ट रैंडमली हैड दिस फीलिंग एंड आई एम नॉट मेकिंग दिस अप. लाइक बस एक दिन मेरे अंदर से वो वाई बाई एंड आई सेट की तनु तुम्हारा वीज़ा आज आ जाएगा एंड शी इज़ लाइक आर यू सीरियस एंड ये सब बिकॉज शी नोज अबाउट इट. लाइक शी नोज अबाउट इट. सो शी सेड आर यू सीरियस ये वो एंड गेस वॉट इन द इवनिंग आई गेट अ कॉल फ्रॉम हर एंड शी सेड अनु मेरा वीज़ा लग गया. And I was like, and she said, oh my god, Evan, she was so happy, she was extremely happy. And yeah, and इस सबको मैं इंटरलिंक इसी चीज़ से करती हूँ cause मैं वाइब्स में और एनर्जीज में और दुआ में बहुत बिलीव करती हूँ. So yeah, दुआ में बहुत ताकत होती है.
So if you're talking about the facts about Anam, then this should be the number one because a lot of people don't know that she has a very strong sixth sense. So her vibe and intuition actually never lies because 99% of the times whatever she had suggested me out of a gut feeling, it has always rewarded me, and 100% of the times I've regretted if I haven't listened to her. So yeah, she has that Soreman wala power.
And एक और बात that Anam has a very strong intuition power. I mean, जो वो बोलती है वो एक्चुअली में सच हो जाता है.
So I've always been this kid, like I have been a above average kid in school academically. But there is still one thing about me that normally like I have anxiety issues, I have anxiety problems, but never ever in my life अगर exams होते थे तो मैं anxiety ले लूँ या कुछ भी ले लूँ या मुझे tension हो रही है या कुछ हो रहा है related to exams. It never happened throughout my boards, throughout my graduation, throughout my law school. Like it never happened. I was so F-less that I cannot tell you. I am like the most chilled out person. जो होगी देखी जाएगी. Like
So there's this another quality about Anam that she's really daring. इतनी डेयरिंग कि अगर 3 बजे एग्जाम हो तो मैडम 2:45 बजे उठती थी. आई डोंट नो वो खतरों के खिलाड़ी कैसे करती थी because I was among those students who used to get those anxiety and panic attacks before exams, and this girl ये रात भर आराम से थूक टपका के सो रही होती थी and I was used to जब तक मैं दूसरा तीसरा रिविजन नहीं कर लेती थी मुझे नहीं चैन मिलता था. and in the morning she used to get up and I used to narrate and give her lessons वो 15 मिनट के and वो बस वैसे ही पेपर देने चली जाती थी and हमारे मार्क्स ऑलमोस्ट सेम ही आते थे. so yeah, I don't know whether she is intelligent or I'm dumb.
So I'm not bragging this about myself और फैक्ट्स बताने रैंडम तो बता रही हूँ. इट्स जस्ट अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक जो मैंने बहुत रिसेंटली लाइक नॉट बहुत रिसेंटली बट मैंने बहुत रिसेंटली डिस्कवर किया दैट इट वॉज विद इन मी एंड it has become my favorite quality, and it is empathy. Empathy is, I think it is one of the best qualities that a person could have, and being empathetic is so important because every person is dealing with their own battles which you don't even know about. सबकी लाइफ बाहर से बहुत अच्छी लगती है but there is just too much on everybody's plate. So yeah, if you find that somebody needs help and if you can help them, if you're capable of helping them, then please do.
I can write thesis on Anam and it is so hard for me to mention certain facts about her. But yeah, this incident can sum up 2 of them. So first of all, she has a bitch face. In fact, she also knows that. And that's how our friendship started because even I judged her and I warned one of our common friends to stay away from Anam because she's not a good person. And knowing that, what I thought about her, she still helped me in one of our dance competitions. She helped me with my costume and my makeup. And मुझे तब काफ़ी अच्छा लगा था कि she already knew कि मैं उसके बारे में इतना बुरा सोचती, but she was there to help me. So that's the quality about her. If she finds someone in the need, she'll not think about anything and she'll probably go and help that person in the most possible way.
I am an extremely random and spontaneous person. Like बहुत ज़्यादा spontaneous हूँ and ये सिर्फ छोटी मोटी चीज़ों के लिए नहीं है, लाइफ डिसीजंस के लिए भी है. I'm very very spontaneous and random.
So there's one thing I really want to learn from her is that she's the queen of comebacks. I mean, आप सब कुछ कर सकते हैं but आप भैंस नहीं कर सकते आलम खान के साथ. So I mean, चाहे मेरी लड़ाई हो चाहे किसी की भी लड़ाई हो, Facebook, Instagram, even in person, शी विल शो यू सम अनदर वर्ड, और ऐसे नहीं कि फालतू की बकवास करी, शी विल मेक यू नो अ वैलिड पॉइंट, एंड दैट्स अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी इन हर. एंड मैं यूजुअली थोड़ी क्लूलेस हो जाती हूँ कि यार अब क्या बोले, बट शी हैज़ दैट यू नो स्पॉन्टेनिटी.
I've always believed that friends are the family you choose, and I love my friends, and they know it. I would take a bullet for my friends. Friends matlab mere actual friends, my inner circle, my close circle. They are genuinely my family. Friends is the best way of, you know, giving you a chance of choosing your own people. How beautiful is that? You vibe along with someone, you like somebody's energy, and you guys gel along, and then it's like a forever thing. It is so beautiful. There is no blood relationship there. I just really, really love my friends, all you assholes, duffers. I just love you and you know it. I wish I could meet you. So, yeah. Friends before me. Okay guys, so that was all about it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, then please let me know. I was extremely excited to make this video, and I'm like, I am on another level because I was visualizing this for so long. I so wanted to make this video and to add that twist, and yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.